Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we have an extraordinary opportunity to share with you. Get ready to discover the secrets of creating stunning music compositions without any prior knowledge. And here's the best part, you can earn thousands of dollars from your music creations. We're talking about creators who are not just making a living but raking in thousands of dollars each month. Simply search Traxy AI on your favorite search engine, click on the official website, and unlock a world of unlimited possibilities for your YouTube videos. Before we proceed, it's important to review the terms of use for a smooth sign-up process. To begin, you'll need to create a Traxy AI account. Simply click on the Sign Up button. Choose the account option that suits you best, whether it's using your email address or your Gmail account. Once you provide the necessary details and complete the registration process, you can proceed to log into your Traxy AI account. Now, let's dive into the exciting part, creating music. Within your account, click on the Create Track button. Choose your desired music genre or mood. Select your preferred music length, ranging from 15 seconds to 3 minutes. Click the Create My Track button and let our AI generate your free, personalized music. Once the generation is complete, you can immediately play and enjoy your unique AI-generated music. If the generated AI music doesn't meet your preferences, don't worry. You have the option to click Create My Track again to generate a fresh batch of AI music. Experiment until you find the perfect composition that resonates with your vision and style.